Here we have a 2021 Barletta L25 UE Tri-Toon. This boat is powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury Outboard. Located here at SkipperBud's in Madison. All Barlettas do feature the doggy dock view doors. You can see right through that door there. You do have pop-up cleats all the way around. Docking lights. You also have quick disconnect fenders. This being the UE or Ultra Entertainer model, you do get this nice convertible lounge seat here, as well as a very spacious table. You have a couple pedestal seats on the other side there. Very large sun pad with a reversible lounger in the back there. See the 150 outboard here. You do also have some rod holders down below, as well as on the side here. Very large sun pad. This backrest can move forward and back. You also have additional adjustable backrests here. There's several cup holders all throughout. Additional storage down here, as well as a lockable drawer and an integrated trash bin. You have your Bimini top here. All Barlettas do come standard with a power Bimini. Gorgeous helm here on this L25. You have your Nertz audio head unit right there, as well as your SIMRAD display. This boat can hold up to 14 passengers. You do have a changing room in this compartment here. Additional storage. You do also have fold down armrests, these front loungers. For a table. Very large storage locker up front here. And then right down here you'll find your integrated pet food and water dishes. That's a standard on Barlettas. Upholstery is in very good condition. No rips or tears in the seats. All right, that's it for the 2021 Barletta L25 UE Tri-Toon, located here at SkipperBud's in Madison.